Welcome back! In this part, we'll explore the different types of feeds you can create with the RSS Generator, so you know exactly how to set up the ones that fit your needs. First are native feeds. These are RSS feeds that a website already publishes itself. To use them, paste the RSS URL into the generator and click Generate. You'll see two display options: Native View, which shows the feed exactly as the website provides it, and the RSS app Alternative View, which adds images where possible to make it easier to browse. Once you've chosen, don't forget to click Save to My Feeds so it's stored in your account and updates automatically. Next are social media feeds. Just paste the URL of any public profile you want to follow, for example, an X account, an Instagram profile, a LinkedIn company page, or a Reddit community. You can scroll through the list of websites under the generator to check which platforms we definitely support. Then, click Generate to create the feed, and finally click Save to My Feeds to keep it. For X specifically, you'll also see an option to display posts with embeds for richer cards, or without embeds for a simpler feed. The Topics tab gives you another way to generate feeds. You can select from our preset list of topics or type in your own keyword and choose a region. RSS.app will then crawl the web to build a live feed of related articles, letting you track a subject across multiple sources at once. In the Newsletter tab, you can turn email newsletters into feeds. Click Create Newsletter Feed, and RSS app will give you a unique email address. Use this address to subscribe to newsletters, and instead of filling your inbox, new emails will appear directly in your feed. Finally, you can combine everything you've created into a single stream using bundles. Open the Bundles tab in the sidebar, click Add Bundle, and select the feeds you want to include, whether they're native, social, topic, or newsletter feeds. Your bundle will display the latest posts from all selected sources, and, just like a regular feed, you can copy the XML link into readers or automation tools, forward updates to Discord, Telegram, Slack, or email, embed it as a widget on your site, and even apply filters across all posts. With the RSS Generator, you can pull content from websites, social media, topics, and newsletters, then bring them all together in one place with bundles. Get started today at RSS.app.